Okay, let's open this up and see what we got. I think it's a pad for the dash. Some instructions: please turn on the monitor first and then install the sensors, otherwise there is no display. Tire pressure will display after 5 to 10 minutes of driving. And here's some instructions. That's how to change the battery in the sensors. And here's the sensors themselves. That goes up to 200 psi. Here's the monitor itself, and you can either plug it into a USB port to charge it, or it's also got its own solar panel, so while you're driving down the road it'll be charging. I don't know how good it shows up on camera. But then they give you a little wrench and some little lock nuts to lock the sensors on. Part comes off, snaps on like that, but you take it off, then this special tool tightens that onto the valve stem. Then once you get it tight, you put this back on. Then they can't get to it. And then once you tighten the lock nut down, it comes with that wrench too. It's a real thin wrench. It'd make it harder for them to get it off. I don't really see why they'd be stealing this stuff anyway. Okay, let me take this valve stem extension off. It doesn't have one for the outside wheel. Like I said, I don't like these things anyway, because they'll get a hole in that line and it empties your tire of air. Let's set this over here. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I brought a cordless impact. Okay, let's see what pressure these have in them. The back is supposed to be 85. Of course, my doesn't go up to probably 75. So let me get another gauge. Okay, this one goes up to like 120. So I have nearly 80. So I'll go ahead and bump it up to 85. Okay, the front come off the same way. You just have to look for the ones that are a little bit different. See how you can see these are got a crimp on them, and then that one, and that one, and actually that one look like they're different. Look at all the wear on that extension. That's why I don't like those things. This is what the tire monitor display looks like.